Okay. Good.
Like it?
Yeah. Good. Yep. Good.
It's a fairing to take up the space between the fuselage and the elevator.
Okay.
Yeah, the horizontal mounts in here, and then torque tube goes through here, and that's what moves your elevators. So this is just a fairing to take that space. This side was all crushed, and I remade this, and then the rib that's in here, and that rib too. The only rib that's original is this forward one. And then this is another one. And then of the original, that's all that I had.
Wow, you didn't have much to work with.
And then the bottom one, I had the majority of it, but that's those pieces, and this piece is all that's left of the original.
Wow, that's incredible.
Had to remake it.
Try to stay away from you when you work.
All right, that's better.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Finally, progress.
What's that?
I said finally, progress.
Stop. The clecos take the place of a rivet. Before you put a rivet in, you can put a cleco in and pinch the two pieces of metal together like it was a fastener. They're a temporary fastener, I guess.
Okay. Good.
This one's on a rib, right?
It is.
Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. That's good.
I figured so. Okay.
That's it?
That's it.
All right, what's your bucking bar left up here?
That side is all original. Yes, that side's all original.
That's incredible. Nice job preserving what you can. That's awesome. And then we got the fabricated side that you made. That's fantastic. So you kind of had a template, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. Great job, guys. Thanks for letting me bug you.
Yeah, sure. I didn't even know you were here.